Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNPD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, all sorts of stuff going on with this one. Ticker symbol change, reverse split. So no, sorry, nobody got rich. I realized that, previously this was down in the pennies, and now all of a sudden it's seemingly up at $5. But no, that's, just you can go right there and research reverse split. That's just a manipulation of the share structure. So people now own less shares, but they are worth more, but it all just equals out. But more of the story here, from the technical point of view, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to build context. Very impressive move. And you stop and think about the fact that just on Thursday, the price was all the way down there. Now all of a sudden, the price is all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice move. But that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to my mind, it all revolves on a single area. And that area is down here at the $4 mark. Why is $4 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen. But let's say that the price decides that it wants to come down to this area, behave like that, and then continue on down. What would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as that $4 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one by far right up there at $5.10. You can see this level has been a massive annoyance. So keep an eye on that, and that'll be that main battleground. But all in all, nice movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.